Unpacking Idioms. Understanding, got the axe. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used English idiom, got the axe. This phrase can pop up in various conversations, and understanding it can help you better grasp the context of discussions. So, let's dive into the world of idioms and discover what it really means when someone says they got the axe. When someone says they got the axe, it means they were fired or dismissed from their job. It's a more colorful way of saying that one's employment has been abruptly terminated, often without much warning. This phrase can also extend to any situation where someone has been cut off from a role, responsibility, or relationship. The phrase, got the axe, comes from the literal tool, an axe, which is used to chop or cut down trees. Metaphorically, the axe represents a swift, decisive cut, which in the world of employment translates to someone being removed from their position quickly and effectively. It's as if the job was a tree, and the dismissal was the chopping down of that tree. Let's look at some examples to see how this idiom is used in everyday language. After the company lost its biggest client, many employees got the axe. I heard John got the axe yesterday. It was quite unexpected. The TV show I loved got the axe after just one season. When using this phrase, it's important to understand the context it brings, one of suddenness and often, a sense of finality. If you want to express the same idea without using the idiom, here are some synonyms. Terminated, laid off, dismissed, let go, fired. Each of these can be used in a professional setting, and some may sound more formal than got the axe. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of got the axe for you. Idioms like this are a fun and interesting part of learning English, and they add color to the language. Keep practicing, and you'll be understanding and using idioms like a native in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.